If you've ever felt like your coop setup just isn't working, too cramped, too much upkeep, not built for real use, there's a better way to do this. The 7x28 Quaker Combo Coop gives your flock space, protection, and a setup that actually makes daily life easier. Walk-in run, 6 nesting boxes built to last, more space, less hassle. Because this isn't just about chickens, it's about building something that works on your land.
Iron Oak Supply, built for the ranch, made for the homestead.